Hi, I'm Phyllis and my website is southernfrugal.com. Today we're going to make, for our main meal of the day, a Tater Tot Casserole. Now, I'm not really big on casseroles, but I watched a video last night by Simple Sara, and she put cheese on the top of hers, so I'm like, I'm going to definitely make one of those. So, here we go. So I have already browned 1 pound of lean hamburger, and this is the grass-fed organic hamburger, which I love. So I fried that in this, my cast iron skillet. So, and I've already chopped up my bell pepper, and this is of course not exactly like the one she made, but it's 1 whole green bell pepper and 1 large onion. I think that's actually 2 medium onions. So I'm going to somewhat cook these. And this is my Vidalia chopper. I had a question the other day. A lady was afraid she was going to break hers. It's kind of hard to break them, if you want to know the truth. It really is. And the only thing I found that was almost too difficult was trying to chop up a sweet potato, which was really hard. But with this, I just put the skin side down of the bell peppers and just pop it down. You know, obviously hold it at this end. And on the onions, I just slice them crosswise, about maybe, I don't know, a little less than ½ inch slice. Put them in there, chomp, chomp, chomp. Real easy. And again, that's the Vidalia Chop Wizard, and it's on my website too, by the way. Under products I highly recommend. Alright, so we're just going to kind of cook these, not a whole lot, because we're going to cook these, the whole casserole, of course, in the oven. And I have got my oven preheated to 350 degrees. And I'm going to leave a list of the ingredients right down below this video in the Show More section. Alright, I'm going to get these cooked and we'll be back. Alright, my green bell pepper and my onion, about 3/4 of the way done. So I'm going to go ahead and dump my ground beef back in there, and I kind of left it in sort of little bite-sized pieces. And I did not use any salt because I'm going to use the cream of mushroom soup, which has got plenty of salt in it. And the tater tots have got salt in them, and of course the cheese is going to have salt in it. So I'm going to turn my burner off. And we're going to add 1 can of the condensed cream of mushroom soup. You could use cream of celery, cream of chicken, whatever you like. I'll use my other spatula for this. I'm going to add 1/2 can of water. Alright, and of course you could just finish cooking this in the skillet and just put the skillet in the oven, but this is going to be enough to serve 4 people, so I really want it in a casserole where I can put a lid on it and refrigerate it. So just mixing this all in. I'm not putting any other seasoning on it. I'm going to let the onions and the peppers and the cream of mushroom soup kind of speak for themselves. Alright, I think that's mixed enough now. Alright, let me turn y'all down right here. And I did put a little olive oil in my casserole dish. Now this is a 2.75 quart casserole dish. So I'm going to dump that in. I'm going to need a pot holder. This in to the casserole, and I did just lightly grease it with a little olive oil. It already smells good, good, good. Alright, got it all in there now. Now remember, pretty much everything in the bottom of this is already cooked. Right, so now we're just going to add our tater tots, and this is really about half the bag. Let's see, let me tell y'all what it is. Half of a 32-ounce bag, so that's about a pound of tater tots in there. Alright, so we're going to put it in the oven now, 350 degrees, and bake it for about 45 minutes. Then we're going to take it out and put about 2 cups of sharp cheddar cheese on it and cook it another 15 minutes. So, we'll be back. Alright, I just took the little tater tot casserole out of the oven, and now we're going to put 2 cups of sharp cheddar cheese right on top. I know that's a lot of cheese, but I think that I'm going to really like the fact that it's got the cheese on top. It smells very good. Alright, so this is going to go back in the oven for about 15 minutes while I get the rest of the meal ready, including our tea. Also, I have steamed some cabbage and kale. I didn't have enough cabbage. I only had like about 1/4 of a little part of a small cabbage, so I just added kale to that. Alright, we'll be back when this is ready and on the plates. Alright, the casserole is ready. It's all bubbly, and I'm going to leave a link if I can find Simple Sara's Tater Tot Casserole down below, and I'll also leave down below the video in the show more section the ingredients I use. There's the cabbage and the kale. I just fixed enough for me and Mr. Bucky, so we need to get this on the plates, and I'll show you what it looks like. Be right back. Alright, here's our meal, and I can tell you I've already tasted of the tater tot casserole, and with the cheese it's absolutely delicious. There's my plate, and we're having the watermelon for dessert, and there's what I put on it. I did a video on that I think about a year ago. You can find this at Walmart, I think in the section with Mexican foods. It's absolutely delicious on any kind of fruit. Yeah, here's Mr. Bucky's plate. Alright y'all, we will see y'all next time. Bye for now.